Hello everyone. In this video you will learn how you can change the default cursor style in Visual Studio Code. As you can see, by default it's a straight line, and to change it to a different style we have to go to File menu. So let's go to File menu, then go to Preferences, and then go to Settings. In the settings we simply need to search cursor style, and here you need to go to this option which is Editor Cursor Style. You can see by default it's a line. You can click here, you will see the list, all the possible options will pop up here. So just to see a clear difference, I'll go with the underline. Okay, let's do it. Now go to the file, and you can see now the cursor style has changed to underline. In a similar way, you can pick a different style. You can go with the underline thin. Let's try that out. You can see it became a bit thin. You can also pick a different option. You can also go with the block. You can see now we're getting a block cursor style. So I hope you understood how to change a cursor style in Visual Studio Code. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.